Hello, my name is Joey Goldstein, and this is my week 4 self-evaluation. How did my attitude, logic, and behavior influence my project? When originally creating my website, I wanted it to look sophisticated and professional. Having a few days to practice building a website helped immensely when it came to creating my portfolio website. I wanted something that looked organized, but also interesting. Something that would keep the viewer's attention. As I started working on my project, I realized I wanted to know more about and what resources are available to me. As I started working on my project, I realized that right now it'll just be the bare minimum. As I create more projects and different design elements, I will incorporate them into my website to make it stand out even more. In the future, I can use royalty-free images that may spice up the site and testimonials from people that I have worked with. If I had more time, I would have, and what could I have done differently to improve my projects? If I had more time, I would have gone the more creative route while working on the design of my website. I am pleased with how it turned out, but there's so much more that I can do. When I was doing the assignment and critiquing portfolio websites I found on the internet, I could have incorporated certain things from each one into my own. One thing that I could have done to improve my project was being more creative in the About Me section. I like the short paragraphs, but as my experience grows, I'm sure I'll be able to add more information. How does my experience working with web development process support my professional objectives? How will I use this in my career? Having an experience working with web development process definitely helps support my professional objective. Having use of the internet for a portfolio gives it a much larger audience than just showing it to people that you are trying to work for. Maybe people will come to you instead of you having to search for work when you put your portfolio online. I think learning the basics of web design can greatly improve my portfolio pieces as well. It helps with stylizing and a theme. And honestly, although this class was a bit intimidating, I do like the outcome of my webpage and what we have learned in the process of building our websites. I will most definitely use this in the future.